My new home is finally starting, but I need the perfect roof. A roof isn't just about looks. It needs to be strong and reliable. I don't know who I can trust with such an important job.
You should contact Guns & Sons Contracting. They specialize in roofing for new construction projects.
Really? I need professionals who understand quality.
Hi, I'm building a new home and need expert roofing services.
You've come to the right place.
We'll deliver strength, safety, and style.
We'll design and install a roof that protects your home for years.
That's exactly what I want.
Precision and quality materials make all the difference.
This looks amazing already. My home looks perfect. Strong, modern, and beautiful.
We're proud to bring your vision to life.
Thank you, Guns & Sons Contracting. You made my dream home complete.